Hey there, it's Realtor Rebecca. I am outside of one of our newest listings at Independence Place. It's a condo development here in Stow, Ohio, where you can get a super affordable condo, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, attached 1-car garage, and it is very affordable. If you're paying more than $1,500 a month in rent, you could afford this condo. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough, but I wanted to show you one of the great features of living in this condo development. Not only do you have a tennis court, pickleball court, a play area if you want, there's a spot for meetings and you can rent out for parties and everything, but you have a pool. How fantastic is that on hot days like today? All right,